Welcome to this video of epic tutorial tips. Today I'm going to show you how to add a light ray or spotlight to an image. First, we are going to select the polygonal lasso tool. It is the third option from the top of your left toolbar, but if you are selecting only the standard lasso tool, then click and hold to open the lasso tool sub-menu. Now just start marking an outline where you intend to have light rays. Remember, light has a tendency to expand the farther it travels, so for a natural finish, a cone shape would be ideal. Also, keep in mind contouring of certain objects to help the end product look more natural. Once you are finished with the lasso tool, on the right-hand side panel, you will see a tab titled Adjustments. Click to open the Adjustments tab and scroll down until you see an option named Levels and select it. You will see a chart that has a scrollable black, grey and white tracker. Click and hold the white tracker and start pulling it toward the centre of the chart. You may notice that an increasing luminous effect where you had drawn with your lasso tool, the farther left we pull the white tracker, the more intense the light will be. Next, we are going to access the mask properties. There will be an icon depicting a rectangle with a circle inside of it above the chart. Click on that icon. Scroll down until you see a scrollable tracker under the title feather. By default, this will be set to 0 pixels. Click and hold the tracker and gradually increase it until you are happy with your image. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. If there is anything else to do with Photoshop that you would like a tutorial on, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, it would be greatly appreciated if you would consider liking the video or subscribing to the channel. That way we can keep in touch and you can see plenty of other useful uploads. As always, have fun and take care.